Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be making an awesome coil design using a standard 360-degree layered coil and a wooden frame. So are you ready? Make sure you hit that follow button below. Follow along because we're going to be making all kinds of cool stuff with just wooden frames and coils of wire alone. Stay tuned. Alright, so if you hit that subscribe button, thank you very much. If you hit that like button, thank you very much. Now, one of the main tools you're going to really want is one of these 360-degree helix stencils, or 180 degrees works too, but I like this one because it's adjustable. I accidentally broke that right there, but that's alright. We don't really have to worry about that because we don't need that part for this tutorial, which is cool. Now, the goal of this art form is to push it to many people, as many people as I possibly can, and the art form that I am using is, well, it's more like a mathematical formula, vortex-based mathematics, discovered by Marco Rodin, but I'm pretty creative with it when it comes to using numbers divisible by 3, 6, and 9. Hence, you can make infinite possibilities with these coil designs, and that's why I'm showing this one off to you today. Alright, so here's my spool of wire. And this is a 10-inch frame. This is only a 6-inch helix stencil, but that's alright, because we can actually, well, some of you might have to go to the store for this, but you have to get yourself a 10-inch pad for this, and if you want to go coils bigger than that, then you will have to obviously know how to make pre-made coil designs that can have the points going perfectly from point to point. So it is 20 degrees per point. Each degree is 20 degrees, I believe, and that is equaling 360. Yep, so every degree is 20 points. So you're going to want a pen, and the easiest way of doing this, since I already pre-made the 20 degree points, and you can see right here on the stencil that's 20 degrees each point, equaling 360 degrees. I extended it out to 10 inches on all sides, like I said before. And so now I can line up the points a lot easier. And just simply 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, so now we got 20 points. Now, we take our coil of wire here, and now and we just gotta get to the next point after that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So go each point. You will then form a 20-point stock, and I'll show you real quick and kind of fast forward the process for you so it doesn't take too long. Not too tight because it actually will put stress on the frame over time, which is kind of different. Some glue up there. Okay. All right, this one I will be getting shipped out too, so either way, you're set there. Out. Out. In. So if it's outside, it occurs in, inside, out, out. This goes out. All right, so the coil is finished. And if you guys want to see how it can control electromagnetic fields, be sure to like this video, comment below. I will actually build a flywheel generator that will create frequencies of my own choosing, or frequencies of your choosing too, but it can't be above 1 kilohertz. So let me know what you have for ideas for the frequency you want me to send through this coil. I can actually send 20 kilohertz to this coil, but it's not the same unless it's a flywheel. So this one's getting shipped out, and I do have these for sale in my Etsy shop if you're looking to get one. These coils can control electromagnetic fields right here at the center point, which is pretty nice, and they utilize surface area too, and the heat differential that produces in these coils is much different than the heat that produces in one of these coils and gets too hot. So these coils, oh, where it's at, you'll be able to tell. Look at this. Look at that. See that? Picture. Boom. All right. All right, YouTube. I hope you enjoyed watching. I just wanted to show this off because it's really cool in the light. Pretty cool, right? All right. Peace out, YouTube. And let me know if you want to buy one.